Exercise 2.1 8th question is, which of the following statement are true and which are false? In that, A question is, 0 is the smallest natural number. It is true or false? Natural number will start from 1, 2, 3. There is no 0 in natural number. But our question is asked in 0 is the smallest natural number. No. 1 is smallest natural number. Therefore, it is false. In B question, 400 is the predecessor of 399. It is false because 399 is the predecessor of 400. See, predecessor means we have to do minus 1 with previous number. 10 minus 1 is 9. Same like that, they given here 400 minus 1 is 399. But the wording 399 is the predecessor of 400 is correct. 400 predecessor is not a correct answer for 399. In C question, 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, it is true. Whole numbers start with 0. 1, 2, 3. So, 0 is the smallest number in whole number. So, C is true. When true means we no need to say the explanation. False only we have to tell the explanation. Correct answer we must write it here. In D question, 600 is the successor of 559. Yes, it is true. 3 plus 1 is 6. Same like that, 599 plus 1 equal to 600. So, our statement is true. In E, all natural numbers are whole numbers they given. Next question, all whole numbers are natural number. See here, in whole number, natural number are included. But in natural number, whole number 0 is not included. So, our E option they given, all natural numbers are whole number. We can say 1, 2, 3 also is whole number. Yes, it is true. F option they given, all whole numbers are natural number. No, except this 0, remaining everything is natural number. So, we cannot tell whole number is natural number. False. Because 0 is not included in natural number. The predecessor of two-digit number is never a single-digit number. It is false. They told two-digit previous number will be a single-digit number here. For example, 10 previous number is 9. But in the question, they given two-digit number previous. Previous is called predecessor. Predecessor of two-digit number is never a single-digit number. But 9 is a single-digit number. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. So, our question is false. In K question, the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. It is false because 11, 12, next number only is 13. It is not 11, 12, 13 and 12. It is not there like this. So, it is false. This is only is correct answer. Closure property. Whole numbers are closed under addition and also under multiplication. Here, two numbers if we add will get third number. That is also it will be whole number. Two whole number if you multiply will get the whole number only. That's what your whole numbers will be closed under addition and also under multiplication. Example, whole numbers will take your 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 if you add will get 12. 12 also is whole number only. For this, 2 into 3. 2 is there in A place, B place 3 will keep. 2 3s are 6. 6 also will come under whole number. Commutative property. Addition and multiplication are commutative for whole number. A plus B equal to B plus A. Suppose 2 plus 3 if we do, it will be equal to for 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3, what is the value? We'll get 5. 3 plus 2 also it will be 5. So, when we add A plus B also will get the same answer. B plus A will add also will get same answer. This is commutative property under addition. Second one, commutative property in multiplication. A into B equal to B into A. Now, 5 2s are 10. But 2 5s are also will get same 10. So, when we will multiply 5 2s are also or 2 5s are also will get the same answer. This is what commutative property under multiplication. Associative property in addition. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. I like to take in A place 2 dots plus B place 3 dots, C place 4 dots. Same like that in A place 2 dot, B place 3 dots, C place 4 dots. Now we'll keep this 2 dots as it is plus. If you add all the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 dots we should keep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. Plus here I have 4 dots as it is. Now totally this side. Here I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots I have. So 9 dots. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same like that here also. 5 plus 4 I have 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our value it will be same in this place. Same dots only I will write now as number. A as 2, B is 3, C is 4. Same like that 2 plus 3. First we should add this, then we should add with 4. Keep it 2 as it is. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus this 4. 7 plus 2 is 9 dots. 5 plus 4 is 9 dots. So our value will be same. Associative property in multiplication. A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Here in A place 2 I have taken, B place 3, C place 4. This I like to show in this dots. First one 2. This is 2 into 3 into 4. That is 2 box I have taken. In each row we have 3 points. 1, 2, 3 dots we have and 4 columns we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 3 fours are 12. This is also 3 fours are 12. So when we multiply 3 fours are 2 times. This is 1 time, this is 2 times. Means we'll get 24. Same like that. This will be a 2 into 3. See here 2 dots we have and 3 row we have. In one box 2 into 3. 2 into 3 6 dots we have. Like this 6 we have 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 dots we have. 6 into 4, that is in one box 2 3s are 6. 6 into 4 will get 24 dots. Here this is 2 I have kept like that. 3 fours are, that is like this. 2 I kept. 3 fours are, in one box 3 fours are 12. So this is 3 fours are, only one box 12 dots we have. Like that 2 boxes I have. 2 boxes I have. So we'll get totally 24 dots we'll get. Here 2 threes are. 2 threes are. In one box 2 dots into 3 rows. 2 threes are 6. 6 into 4. Like this how many boxes I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes I have. So now 6 fours are 24. When we count this 24 dots we have. This is associative property under multiplication. Distributive of multiplication over addition. That is A into B plus C. A you have to distribute once for B and once for C. That is A into B, AB. Here we have plus, write plus. A into C, AC. For example, in A place 3 I will take. In B place 4. C place 5. Same the thing. A is 3 into B is 4. Plus A is 3, C is 5. Now 3 we have to keep like that. 4 plus 5 is 9. Equal to 3 4s are 12. Plus 3 5s are 15. We'll add this both also. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 3s are also 27. So we'll get the answer is same. So our distributive of multiplication. This is multiplication symbol. If you are not writing also it is same multiplication symbol. Over addition. Over addition. So A into B plus A into CAC.